It's a new haircut. Love mom, literally I love it. Yeah. We're going home. Right? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Okay. Don't mind me singing. He's been mad for 60. Man been 50. I got another for the bag. Oh my god, I cannot wait to post this on Instagram. Well, you better post it while you still can. Well, yeah. Just gonna post this. Ching! Oh, it looks so cute. And fancy too. I know what Kyle's gonna think. Wait, Kyle? You mean your boyfriend? Yeah. Literally, why is the pet bowl here? I fed Sunny and Marmar. Okay. Where is the cake? What? Bro, I didn't eat it, I swear. Okay, then who did? I don't know. I guess Dad, he's a big back. Okay, whatever that means, yeah. He eats a lot though. Yeah, that's what big back means. They eat a lot. Okay. I have to sadly pause this. Okay, so guys, there's like a hat under my screen. I don't know if you can see it, but it's literally right there. Like, bro. Anyway. Okay, good night, sweetie. Oh wait, I forgot to change it tonight. Good. The dad is half asleep doing his work. Okay, good night. Good night. Oh my god. Ugh, it's really cold here. Okay, where are my clothes? Okay. I think I'm just gonna wear this. Oh wait, my clothes are here. Okay. See, not there. Okay, this. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in the laundry basket. It looks so good. Okay, I think I'll just take off my glasses now and head straight to bed. Good night, beautiful me. Oh. Good night, Marmar. Oh my god. I finally took it out. Yay. I'm gonna put it like in Mateo's bed. Hi, honey. Okay. Oh my god, what happened to you? Okay, go straight to bed. Okay, he's acting like a total baby. I'm just gonna go straight to bed. Good night. In the middle of the night. The lights are on. Mateo's room. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Was there a vase there? Let's take that out. Was that orangey? Orangey? Gotta go tell mom. I keep coughing. Mommy. Oh my god, Mateo. Can't you see? Can't you see somebody is literally sleeping? He literally woke me up. Like, bro, what time is it? I don't know. It's literally 12:30. Oh my god, what now? There's a monster in my room. Oh my god. Bro, literally there's nothing. That's the robot. This is your Stuffy, whatever his name is. This is your alarm clock. That's your pet otter or something. That's your water bottle. This is a random statue. This is your lamp. This is your stuffy. Nothing else. The only thing that's alive here is your robot and your dog, which is a guard dog, okay? Go to bed. Oh my god. The alarm will wake you up. Now go back to sleep. Okay. Don't you okay me? Oh my god. Don't do that again. Okay. Oh my god. That's literally so exhausting. Like, you have to literally wake me up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. What is that feeling? Okay. I swear to god. Like, bro, it's literally, the feeling is weird and I don't even know what it is. I don't know what that is, but I'm checking it out of curiosity. Cause like, I am curious. Let me just get my glasses. Wait. What is that? Oh my god. Okay. It's not cluttered here that much. Okay. Okay. It smells like blood. Okay, it wouldn't hurt if I just take a sneak peek, right? Oh my god, there's blood. This might be. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's literally blood in my thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. What was that sound? It sounds like Katie. Okay, I better check that out because that sounds dangerous. Katie, are you awake? Okay, she's not in her bed, so she's totally awake. Sweetie, what's the matter? There's blood in my underwear. Oh, okay. Good thing I bought pads. Okay. Mom, what the hell is that? Pads. Okay, just give me one. What am I supposed to do with these things? Okay, open it up. See? I'll put it in your underwear. Oh my god, Mom. It was so simple. How did I didn't know that? I don't know. I'm just gonna leave you alone. No, Mom. Oh my god, I literally have to put this in. Go. Oh, it's not so bad. Then there's no pad there. I put the pad there. Okay, are you done? Yeah. It was so easy though. But the hair accidentally goes in her armpit. Pretend there's like a thing, like the bird howls. Why is the bird like that? I don't know. Let's just go. Yeah. I'll turn off all the lights because most of them are literally on. Okay, turn off that one. This one, that one, this one. And let's see this one. Okay, sorry for disturbing you, Mom. It's okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, wait. Okay, you can go. Okay, that was the strangest thing that ever happened in my life, honestly. I'm just gonna go to bed. I don't care. God is stupid. Please. In the morning. Oh my god. Katie doesn't have school. So yeah. Ding a ding ding. Ding a ding ding. Ding a ding ding. What was that? Oh my god. What was that? What's that? What's that? God, it's so cold. Ugh, my God, it's so cold. Oh my God, Liam, why is it so cold? Is it cold on your side? Yeah, it's really cold. We should check on Katie. She had her period last night. Wait, no, seriously? Yeah. I'm checking up on her. I'm checking on Mateo. Oh my God, Mateo, oh my God. Katie. Mom. Mom, it's so freaking cold. I can't. Ugh. I can't even sleep peacefully. Oh my God, just go downstairs. I think there's some news going on. Okay, don't mind why there's some missing stuff. So yeah. Or maybe this is not part 2. It's just like a normal video. Okay, so it's like a snowstorm, okay? It's a snowstorm happening. Oh God. Okay, I have to pause. Mom, I'm really so scared. What's gonna happen? Well, I don't know, sweetheart. Pretend this is the news, okay? Attention, everybody. There's gonna be a huge snowstorm and shh. Oh my God, what just happened to the newsman? I don't know. Oh my God. That was so scary. Okay, pretend Mateo's sleeping. Mateo's sleeping at the wrong time. Yeah, I think I put this alarm too early. Yeah, you did. Anyways, this is the end. So bye guys, and stay tuned for part 2. And also thank you for 42 subscribers. Anyways, bye.